In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mounting bracket for your Zooz Outdoor Motion Sensor on drywall. If you want to mount your sensor on siding, watch our siding installation video instead. You'll need the mounting bracket, anchors, and screws that came with your sensor to start. Prepare a pen or pencil, a hammer, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a compact drill with a fitting attachment. First, mark your screw placement spots. The sensor needs to be mounted at least 7 feet above ground for best results. Next, drill openings for the anchors to go in. Always use a bit that's a little thinner than the anchor so it doesn't get loose later. Hammer each anchor in carefully. Now you're ready to fix the bracket to the wall. Thread the screws through the holes in the bracket and screw them into the anchors with a small Phillips head screwdriver. Feel free to use a screw gun to complete this action. Just make sure it's on low speed and avoid impact tools. To mount the sensor, carefully slide and snap it onto the bracket. Adjust the sensor for the best detection angle as needed. Remember that the device detects activity farther to its sides rather than to the center of the lens. Your sensor is now fully installed. You can go back to petting your dog. Remember to watch our battery installation video and check out the Zooz support portal for more tips on setting up your devices. Thank you for choosing Zooz.